Okay, let's take a look at question 3. The height in meters of a ball above the ground t second after it's drawn from a tower is given by the function ht equals to negative 5t squared plus 10t plus c, where c is a constant. Okay, so by looking at this function, okay, you need to be able to tell me that, okay, it probably looks something like this. Okay, quadratic curve. Okay, now given that h0 equals to 6, find the value of c. A is a free mark, okay, given by the exam. Okay, since ht is equals to negative 5t squared plus 10t plus c, h0 is equals to 6, what means that negative 5 0 square plus 10 0 plus c is equals to 6. Therefore, c equals to 6. Okay. A. B. Interpret the meaning of the answer in A. Now, a lot of people struggles with this question. Okay. So go back to the very basic, the height, okay, of a ball above the ground after it is thrown. Okay. So h0 would means that at the start. Okay, so at the start, the ball is still not thrown yet, but it has already have a height of 6 meter. Okay, so what does the value of c means? Okay, when sorry, c is the height of the ball before it was thrown. Okay, so for such question, you need to relate back to the question of what is the structure of the question to answer. Okay, B. C. Determine the maximum height reached by the ball and the corresponding value of t. Okay, so part C. Okay, in order to find the maximum height, we have to find the vertex. So that means this is about completing the square. Okay, so negative 5t squared plus 10t plus c, okay, is, oh sorry, not plus c anymore, right, plus 6. So equals to, take out negative 5, t squared minus 2t plus 6. Okay, in order to complete the square, negative 5, t squared minus 2t plus 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 squared is still 1, right? Okay, plus 6 equals to, this part down here completes the square, so this will be t minus 1 squared. Okay, negative 5 on the outside minus 1 plus 6. Bring in the negative 5, so that will be negative 5 t minus 1 squared plus 5 plus 6, because negative 5 distribute into the negative 1, right? So it's negative 5 t minus 1 squared plus 11. Okay, therefore h max is equals to 1 and 11. Okay, right, so determine the maximum height. Height max is 11. The corresponding value of t is equals to 1 second. Okay, so h max is equals to 11 meter. Answer the question according to what the question, how it wants to be answered. Okay, now find the time it takes for the ball to drop to the ground. Okay, so part D. Okay, when h is equals to 0. Okay, so that means that negative 5 t minus 1 squared minus plus 11 is equals to 0. So 5 t minus 1 squared is equals to 11. Okay, so okay, this one I skip a little bit of step. Positive 11, I shift to the right, that's negative 11. Then I take away negative from both sides, right? So this is what I'll get. So t minus 1 squared is equals to 2.2. Okay, so t minus 1 equals to square root 2.2. Okay, now usually we'll do the plus minus 2.2. So t equals to 1 plus minus square root of 2.2. Okay, however, we will end up with, hold on, let me just key calculator, 1 plus Square root 2.2 is 1.483 seconds, or 1 minus 2.2 square root negative 0.483. So this is rejected because time cannot be negative. So remember to round off to 3SF. Okay, that's all.